In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change from Internet Explorer to Google Chrome. To get started, open any browser that is currently available on your computer. This can be Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or another browser that already works on your device. The reason for this first step is simple. You need a browser in order to download Google Chrome. Once your browser is open, go to the official place to download Chrome. Look for the Chrome download page and begin the download. Make sure you are downloading the standard version of Google Chrome for your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer file. Your computer may ask for permission to allow the installation. If that happens, approve it so the setup can continue. Wait a moment while Chrome installs. When the installation is complete, open Google Chrome. The browser should launch automatically in many cases, but if it does not, you can open it manually from your desktop or Start menu. Once Chrome is open, look in the top right corner of the window. You will see the 3 vertical dots, which open the main menu. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. From there, find the option to set Chrome as your default browser and select it. Setting Chrome as the default browser means that web links, online documents, and other internet shortcuts will now open in Chrome instead of Internet Explorer. That covers everything you need to know.